Today we are looking at a Cascade air leg. This is also known as a Cascade pneumatic separator. This unit has been completely rebuilt and is ready to go out and perform like a new one. It is a model 48-12-C. We are going to do a walk around of this unit. Again, this unit has been completely rebuilt. These units last a long time because they don't have very many moving parts. You can see we've got a full set of safety shielding down there. Of course, we got new drive belts. You can see the electric motor there. It's a heavy-duty ball door. The vibratory feeder is powered by 110 volts, plugs into a wall outlet. In a minute, we'll fire that up so you can see it run. The vibratory feeder is in excellent condition. Again, this unit is rebuilt and ready to perform like a new one. Got all new plexiglass on the observation windows. This unit was completely disassembled, sandblasted, repainted. Anything that needed repaired was repaired. We've got our airflow control gates here. You can see we've got this expanded metal safety shield. You pull up or push down on the levers and that will open up those gates and that will tailor your airflow. We've got new bearings. It's a little bit of surface rust on the shaft. You can see there's still a little bit of a shine to it. That's how you can tell that's a new bearing. It's also got a new bearing housing. The sheet metal is in good shape on this unit. There's no dents. Nothing that's going to keep it from performing as it should. Nothing to impede the airflow. Sometimes these columns can get dented up. As you can see, this unit has no dents. The air is going to flow perfectly through this unit as it was intended. It's just an all-around nice unit. The fan is powered by a 3-phase high or low voltage electric motor. And then the vibratory feeder is powered by 110 volts. Again, you can see it plugs into a wall outlet. We're going to fire the vibratory feeder up for you. All right, we've got the vibratory feeder hooked up to power. Hit the on switch, it'll start buzzing. We can turn it down more if we want. That will slow down the flow of product. Then we can turn it all the way up. You can hear it really start to buzz there. Has a lot of vibration, a lot of good agitation. To change the flow rate, it's as easy as turning that knob there. A really simple system. We can see on the schematic here where the discharges are. So looking at the front of the unit, we can move the piece of paper. Now we have this set up in a different configuration that's shown here on the paper. This top on the paper is turned that way, making this discharge on that side. We can see that the discharge that comes out the side is the heavies discharge. So that would be the heavies discharge. Then we can see right here looking at the front, that would be the mediums discharge, and that would be the lights discharge. This is a really nice unit, really simple, easy to operate, would do an excellent job on any commodity that can be separated out by weight or density. Now we are going to let you see the blower motor run. This unit fires right up. There's no hesitation on startup. Comes right to life. Runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. You can see the belts turning around in there. There's no vibration in the unit. That means the fan is well balanced. You can see the main bearing turning there. You can adjust the airflow gates independently. You can see the fan turning in there. As I said before, these units have very few moving parts. They last a long time. This unit is ready to go out and perform as good as a new one, not cost near as much. This concludes the video. This Cascade pneumatic separator can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery, as well as specialized air separation technologies. Thank you for watching.